Hello, viewer. Thanks for tuning in. This is Unholy Vision from Venomous Pictures, and I was recently asked, how do I make my stuff look like this or various other bash terminals and everything look the way they do? So, on this video, I'm going to kind of cover the colors and all kinds of things like that. So, first of all, we need to either use Nano or your preferred text editor. So, Nano. Do a little tilde slash dot bash rc, and then you'll have stuff like this alias ls equals ls that basically colors anything in ls, listing of files of like colors and stuff. You can get grep and various other commands if you really want to get customizable in this, but I'm going to be focusing on ps1. The U stands for the username, clearly. Host name for the H. The W, that's the base name for what the folder and everything you're in. So the first thing you definitely want to do is make a copy of this, and then that way you can mess up and still have the original. So the first thing we need to do is a backslash, a bracket, a backslash, an E. And what this will do is allow it to know we're starting the code. And then we need to do another bracket. At this point, we have three options. We have the background, the format, and the foreground color. Let's say we want to make the background red. So 41. There'll be different codes for each one of these. I will have all the codes in the description box below, but for this example, 41 for red for the background, and then we put a little semicolon right there so we can do the next part, which we want to make the font. Let's say we want to make the font underlined, so 4, and then we do another semicolon, and let's make the actual text black, and then we end the code off with an M, and then just do a backslash and another bracket. Save this right here and open a new terminal. So with the new terminal open, everything in the back is red, everything in the text is underlined, and the text in general is black. So if we did commands like NVIDIA-SMI, everything is in the background is red. That's obnoxious, but there you have it. That's colored. Let's say we didn't want any of this other stuff right here. We can just color the text if that's what we want to do, and just delete all that. It knows the actual codes, so when you do 30, it knows it's the foreground. If you do 40, it knows it's the background color, because each one has its own code for that particular background or foreground section. So we'll just change this, since we obviously are having the background is black here on the terminal. So we'll change this to green. So let's say we want to change what's at the @ symbol, then the H for the host name, and all the other stuff. So next we just need to do another backslash, one of the little brackets, backslash E, another bracket, and we're just going to change the color. We're not going to add any foreground or anything like that, or format. So let's make it yellow. So 43. And then we need the M, the backslash, and then the other bracket, the closing bracket in this case. And now we'll change the host name, so another backslash, opening bracket, a backslash, an E, another opening bracket. So we'll make this color, we'll make it blue. So 34. Then put an M, backslash, and a closing bracket. Let's save that and see what it looks like. And there you go, it's all fancy, and your text will be whatever color you defined it as. So NVIDIA-SMI again. And it'll all be in that color. Mind you, this isn't what I would put the text as. I would change that as well because it is kind of dark, but I mean, there you go. You have it all fancy. Let's say we want to go crazy now and do like I've done in other videos and had enter command, right? So enter command and just save that right there. There you go. You have a enter command, and we'll just type in NVIDIA SMI again, just as an example. If you wanted to take it a little bit further and color the lines afterwards, you can do PS2 equals, PS3 equals, and PS4 equals, and you can make each individual next line and various other things colored, but I'm not going to cover that in this video. Experiment with it at your own accord. I'm just throwing it out there for you. But that pretty much sums up what I do when I have my terminal looking kind of fancy. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit your monitor real hard on that bell button to crack it. And we'll be seeing you in the next video. This is Unholy Vision signing out.